Hello guys, welcome to a new video. We start this video by going to the farm, so I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give it a like and leave a comment down below. So let's do this. So part of this video will be a vertical clip, so I hope you bear with me with that and enjoy the video as you enjoy the music. So welcome to this video guys, and thank you for joining.
You make me sing about happy things in you, make my heart ring. I feel just like a spoonful of joy. I twirl like a toy, rushing with sunshine, lifting my voice. You just make me want to sing. I'm taken in. I feel warm and toasty. I just love it when you got this way of bringing me up, smoothing me out, rounding my edges, trashing the rut. You just make me want to sing. I see you here beside me. It's better than before. You sail me straight to happy, with so much more in store. I can't contain this stirring urge of singing. Do 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 do. Like daydream inspired blue, fresh morning wind. Each whisper of you floats round my mind, drifts out of time, bounces through heaven, 'cause you're so divine. You just make me want to sing. I see you here beside me. It's better than before. You sail me straight to happy, with so much more in store. I can't contain this stirring urge of singing. Do 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 do. You make me wanna sing. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yes, you make me wanna sing. Do 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 do. You make me wanna sing.
You're so irreplaceable, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Need you to wake me up when I'm falling asleep. Girl, won't you wake me up? I hope you're thinking of me. Oh, won't you wake me? Oh, won't you wake me up?
miss anybody these days. Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire. And I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices. But my past lovers were wrong. Knew it from how their love was given. I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Took me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners, breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you give me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church. Take me to church. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church. Brought me down to the river. Gave me a new start. It's different now, no sinners. Breaking my heart.
So guys, as you can see, our rice is ready and we are going to serve it with some goat meat with some soup. Yeah guys, and as we cook in the village, we cook rice as simple as this. So let's listen to some behind the scenes of this video. Tunaweka rice hapa. Okay?
Inside. Inside.
Utaingia kwa moto wewe.
Inside the beans.
Yes.
But how?
Si tutaweka tu hapo ndani.
Okay. Can I watch the camera?
At you? The camera, yes. Yalla. Where?
Uncle. Mom. You have a message from Jane Lang.
Get you?
Jane. Yeah, he has a message for you.
So thank you guys for watching this video. So I can say the rain came back, and bye bye for now. See you on the next one. Bye.